It's Monday morning, day trading live this morning, making some money. Green, baby, green, green, green. Nothing I love more than a green Monday. Well, I love pretty much every day being green, but there's just something about starting the week with a green note. I'm gonna show you guys this breakdown of a beautiful, beautiful setup. You'll see the whole thing live in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. These are the stocks that I'm keeping an eye on right now. You can see market open and OVID just isn't moving. Got BLNK pushing up there towards the $4. So I can jump in there at 375 on BLNK. There's a little bit of a pullback here. All right, try it one more time. 375, see if we get filled here. 375 filled. Looking for us to push up there above $2 with my stop there at 365. So risking 10 cents. Here's my stop loss there at 365. Need to add another 1,000 there, 375. See if this can't push. There's a push up to 380. See if we can get us all the way up there to 390 and then push on up there to $4. You see 385 is high of day so far. So over 385, I think we'll get a nice little push. There it is up there to 390. Let's see if we can get $4 here. I think let's get more volume on this, get pushing here. Only 371,000 shares traded so far. So let's see if let's get this push. I think get another couple 100,000 shares traded. This will push over $4, no problem. Get into that $4 area. Let's push all the way above $4 here. Gonna get more eyes on it now. More volume filling in there. Almost 500,000 shares traded. More scanners picking it up. More people starting to trade it. We're looking for this break over $4. I think we'll get a nice little pop up there. 410. Look, take profit there. Giving it some time here. Over $4. I want to see a break for 390s holding there. I'm looking. Come on, baby. Might get a little bit of pullback here. 380 area. There's a little bit of a pullback we're talking about. For some more strength to fill in here. I need some more volume. Just need more volume on this thing. I think get over 100,000 shares traded. This thing will spike up there above $4 here. Looking for 360s, 6 to hold there. Let me see if I can add there at 370. 373, get added another 1,000 shares there. No add there. Not getting filled in that dip. See if this can push back up here. Try to add another 1,000 there. 376. I got 2,000 shares now. Looking for this to push back above 380s. Gonna play a little tighter stop here at the 370s. If this thing shows weakness there, I'm gonna jump out quickly. Now that I got larger size there. 2,000 shares. Jumping out of it there. Just not liking that weakness that it's showing. I'll look to jump back in later if it can break down this out of this downtrend here. So above 380s. Playing it safe there. Taking a small loss, which is kind of frustrating because obviously I was in the green there. So taking a $70 loss there on BLNK. It's kind of frustrating because I was up $200 at one point. Was really looking for that push over $4. Maybe it's going to happen here once we get out of this breakdown. We'll see what happens here at the 370 area. Just playing it safe there, taking that quick loss there. You can see BLNK get back above 380 here, show some strength, and then look to jump in for a little bit of a dip once you get back above 380. Okay, getting back up there to the 380s. Let's see if it'll push. See if I can get here at 377, get filled. Need a little bit more of a pullback. Getting filled there, 2,000 shares at 377. And let's see if we can't get this moving back up there. A little bit of more of a pullback. I want that 370 area to hold. So looking for BLNK to get some more volume here and get this push back above 380 and get trekking, get moving. You can see on the 5-minute chart, looks a little bit better. So 5-minute chart showing that support there at the 370s. Got the EMA lining up there. So that's what we're looking for, that push. Show some support there and get back above 380 and start walking up towards $4. Get some big sellers sitting there at 380 right now. So we'll get over 380, see if we can get a little squeeze going here. There's that push over 380, nice little pop. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get this move up there to $4 finally. Get over 390 here. Looking for that push over 390 here. You can see Getting a little bit of buying pressure there. A lot of sellers just sitting there, pushing back up on this candle though. I like the look of that. Let's get this push up there above 390 right here. High day so far is 397. 395. There's that push. I'm gonna take it right there, 397. Just not liking how it just got. Oh, there it is, up there to 4. Had a little bit of hesitation there before it got to the $4. There's getting stuck at 4. See if this can break over $4 here. There's that pullback I was worried about. It was showing some hesitation there. Watching the time and sales, watching on level 2. That 397 was just kind of hesitated there for a minute. Was break right through $4. Sometimes the first trade doesn't work out, but the second one works out perfectly and you end up making money. Sometimes you just got to play it safe. You got to cut your losers and you got to recognize what's happening with the chart and you got to come back and say, hey, it's time to make some money. That's what we just did here on BLNK. Making $330 this morning on BLNK. I lost $70 on this first little bit of a pullback, you know, playing it safe, and then again, just playing it safe there, not wanting to get stuck there at that previous resistance. And you can see there it is up there to 410, which was my original kind of target, like I talked about a little bit earlier. And the reason I was thinking over 410 was because, like I normally say with these whole dollar breaks, you get that break over $4, and what do we get? Right up there to 410. So beautiful little spike over the whole dollar there. And look at it now up there to 405. I'm going to be done for the day, making $330. I can't complain about that. You can see my P&L there, making $330. And it's only almost 10 o'clock. So I feel pretty good about that trade. I feel good. I feel good about it overall. Obviously, I would have loved to have that push all the way up there above $4. I didn't want to be greedy because the frustrating part is obviously, you know, this push here. I jumped in there at 375. We got that push up there to 397. I was up, you know, $200. I could have taken profit there, but I was kind of greedy, was looking for that push above. Maybe what I should have done here was kind of just look for that trend, and then once the trend broke down, maybe gotten out there at 385 would have been a better play. That might have been the better play there. We can see also kind of how this had this downtrend there, and we got the support there at 370. I probably could have held through this 370 area. That would have been fine, I think, holding through there with that in my original entry. And then I wouldn't have taken the $70 loss, but I was just trying to play it safe there. Just wasn't liking how it was kind of just trending downwards there, getting stuck. The volume just really wasn't much volume, but you can see how the volume increased through this move. Now we got 1.3 million shares traded. So beautiful move here on BLNK. This is exactly what we are looking for, exactly what we need to be trading. And not bad. 2,000 shares. $330. I'll take it. We'll see if this pulls back a little bit there. But I'm going to walk away there. Green, baby. Green, green, green.